Let me tell you something that completely changed the way I think about money. It's not the amount of money that you make that builds wealth. It's what you do with it. Two people can earn exact same income, but years later, one is financially free while the other is still living paycheck to paycheck. The difference? One learned how to make their money work for them through the power of compound interest and consistent cash flow. Today I want to show you how that works, how small, consistent action, when combined with time and discipline, can completely transform your financial future. Hey, I'm Mario Pinar, and welcome back to this channel. When we talk about wealth building, most people immediately think about high salaries or big wins in the stock market. But true wealth isn't built from luck. It's built from a system. And one of the most powerful systems you can ever master is the combination of compound interest, consistent cash flow, and reinvesting your income. These three forces, when aligned, can create exponential growth. You don't have to be a financial genius or start with a fortune. You just need patience, consistency, and the right strategy. So let's unpack this step by step. Compound interest is simple in theory, but life-changing in practice. Let's imagine you invest $1,000. It earns 10% interest, so that's $100 in the first year. So far, so good. But in year 2, you're not just earning interest on 1,000, you're now earning interest on 1,100. Now your return is 110. Each year, your earnings grow because your interest is compounding. You're earning interest on your interest. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but the more it rolls, the bigger and faster it grows. This is why time is your greatest ally in investing. Einstein wasn't exaggerating when he called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. It's the quiet force that turns modest investments into massive wealth, if you give it time to work. Let me put it in perspective. If you invested $10,000 at 10% interest and you've just left it alone, in 20 years it would grow to around $67,000. Do nothing, no extra deposits, and your money still multiples 6 times over. That's the beauty of compounding. It rewards patience more than anything else. Now, what if instead of just a one-time investment, you consistently added to it? Let's say you invest that same $10,000, but also contribute $500 every month. After 20 years at 10% growth, your total would be over $380,000. That's the power of consistent cash flow. Even small, steady contributions can create extraordinary results when compounded over time. Most people overestimate what they can do in a year, but underestimate what they can do in a decade. Consistency turns average investors into wealthy ones, not by chance, but by design. Even if you can only invest a small amount each month, do it. Because consistency beats intensity. You don't have to throw in thousands every time. What matters is staying on course and keeping your money working. Now let's talk about the secret sauce: reinvestment. This is when compound interest and consistent cash flow truly came alive. Every time you earn income from your investment, maybe from interest or dividends or note payments, you have a choice. You can spend that money or you can reinvest it. When you reinvest, you're allowing your returns to generate even more returns. You're feeding the cycle instead of breaking it. Think about it like this. Let's say you invest in a mortgage note to pay you monthly income. You could use that monthly to pay your bills or buy something new. But if you use it to buy another note, you've just doubled your earning potential. That's what wealthy investors do. They keep reinvesting until their assets start producing enough income to sustain their lifestyle. That's when you stop working for money and money starts working for you. Imagine an investor named Sarah. She starts investing $500 a month at the age of 30, with an average 8% return. By age 50, she invested a total of $120,000 of her own money. But with compound growth, her portfolio isn't just $120,000. It's worth over $295,000. She didn't double her own money by working extra hours. She did it by letting compound interest and reinvestment do the heavy lifting. Now imagine if she had started 10 years earlier at age 20. That same $500 a month would have grown to over $745,000 by age 50. That's the impact of time combined with consistent reinvestment. The earlier you start, the easier it gets. So where does consistent cash flow fit into this picture? It's simple. Consistent cash flow gives you the ability to reinvest on a regular basis. Whether that cash flow comes from dividends, rental income, or mortgage note payments, it's a powerful tool for compounding growth. For example, if you own performing notes, you receive monthly payments from borrowers. Now, instead of treating those payments as spending money, imagine reinvesting them into another note or another income-generating opportunity. This creates a compounding cycle. Every payment becomes a seed for future growth. Eventually, your reinvested income produces more income, and your cash flow keeps multiplying. That's how wealth quietly builds, not through big risk or market timing, but through steady reinvestment and time. But here's the key. It all starts with mindset. You see, most people think, I'll invest whatever's left after I spend. But successful investors flip that thinking. They say, I'll spend whatever is left after I invest. It's a small shift, but it makes a massive difference over time. Because every dollar you invest isn't just money, it's potential. It's future freedom. If you can start seeing money as a tool instead of just a reward, you'll naturally make better financial decisions. You'll start prioritizing assets that generate cash flow rather than liabilities that drain it. And that's how you break free from paycheck to paycheck cycle. Now let's talk about one common trap that can slow you down in your financial growth. The first is impatience. Compounding takes time, and most people give up before the magic happens. In the first few years, it feels slow, but that's the foundation being built. Stick with it. The second is pulling out your earnings too soon. Every withdrawal breaks the compounding effect and slows your progress. And the third, inconsistency. Skipping months or stopping investments or chasing high-risk returns can undo years of growth. Remember, slow and steady beats fast and risky. So what's the formula for financial freedom? It's simple, though not always easy. Start early if you can. Be consistent. Reinvest your income and let time do the work. When you apply these steps consistently, you're building your own wealth engine. At first, you might feel like the progress is small, but give it a few years and the growth becomes undeniable. Your money starts working around the clock, and your financial freedom stops being a dream, but it becomes a plan. Here's the big takeaway. Compound interest is your wealth builder. Consistent cash flow is your fuel, and reinvestment is your accelerator. Put them together and you'll create unstoppable momentum toward financial freedom. It doesn't matter where you're starting from. What matters is that you start. Invest something, reinvest consistently, and trust the process. Because wealth isn't built by luck or timing. It's built by time, discipline, and smart decisions repeated over and over again. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical lessons on building financial freedom. And if you want to learn how to create consistent cash flow through mortgage note investing, just check out my other videos where I explain exactly how it works and how you can get started. Thanks for watching, and remember, small actions done consistently can create extraordinary results over time.